Best automotive spaces pros and cons guide. The automotive spaces are a popular modification for enhancing the performance and aesthetics of your cars. Wheel spaces play a critical role in the dynamics of your cars. High-quality wheel spaces are designed to integrate seamlessly with your vehicle specifications, ensuring optimal performance and safety. On the other hand, poor-quality automotive spaces can lead to a myriad of issues, including vibration and wheel misalignment. With automotive spaces ranging from 10 mm to an aggressive 50 mm, you can solve most tire rubbing issues easily and make your vehicle look nicer and cooler as well. General brand wheel spaces are ideal for the owner enjoying their car day-to-day on the street. These automotive wheel spaces will improve the appearance, performance of the car without requiring external modifications to the factory suspension or alignment. Just bolt on and enjoy. Understanding automotive spaces pros and cons. Automotive spaces can significantly influence your vehicle's handling, stability, and overall performance. Improve aesthetics. A wider stance gives your car a more aggressive and robust appearance. This aesthetics applied is often a premium reason enthusiasts opt for wheel spaces, because the unique look of the wheel being brushed with the fenders is attractive. Brakes and suspension clearance. Automotive spaces can provide the necessary clearance for the larger brake calipers, wider tires, and aftermarket suspension components. This is essential for those looking to upgrade their braking system or suspension setup for better off-road performance. Quality matters. Not all automotive spaces are created equally. Cheap quality spaces may lead to wheel vibration and even compromise safety. So always choose general brand wheel spaces. Bonus Forge FT cooling wheel spaces and adapters are all made from aircraft grade 6061T6 and Cell 075T6 aluminum alloy. They have strong enough. They are tailored to adjust your wheel fitment with quality, ensuring improved vehicle performance and wheel style. Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.